Chapter 1.3b Solving Fractional Equations. Review number 1. To solve x divided by 2 equals 3, we are going to do the opposite operation, which is multiply 2 on both sides to cancel the 2 from the bottom. Remember that we are going to use the inverse operation. If it is a division, then you will multiply 2 on both sides. And if it's multiplication, then we divide the same number on both sides. Now the 2 and 2 cancel each other, and then we get x by itself, and 2 times 3 would be 6. X equals 6 will be your answer. Now look at number 2 here. We are going to solve this for x. So which means that we have to remove this 3. And to do that, we are going to do opposite operation or inverse operation of addition. Inverse operation for addition is subtraction. So we're going to subtract 3 on both sides. This will cancel the 3 and you're going to get x divided by 4 equals 5 minus 3, which is 2. Now x divided by 4 equals 2. And then opposite operation of division is multiplication. So we are going to multiply 4 on both sides. This will cancel the 4 from the bottom, and you're going to get x by itself, which is equal to 2 times 4, which is 8, and that's your answer.